Guys, Jared here with BullyBag and Tool Company, here to test out the new upcoming SideBar. This is an outstanding multi-tool made by BullyBag and Tool Company that is made for removing vinyl, aluminum, steel siding for repairs, siding samples, as well as a flip side with a full nail head opening for removing siding nails, roofing nails, what have you, getting the roofing samples if you need those as well, or for doing roofing and siding repairs. So let's see what we've got here. We've got some seamless vinyl siding going on right here. That's what we want, because typically siding removal tools, if you will, they just simply don't work. Goes right in, turn it down, pop it out.